生氣㗎，食
全港最平，全港最平，低到保證揾唔到。
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, sexy man, you want your clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
原來係咁。
Hey, hey, come on in. I got special deal for you.
你跌咗嘢喎，我乜所謂啦。
撞埋你啊！
好在我哋嘅揾得
切香港最靚嘅，Get some noodles, best in Hong Kong。
Hey, sexy man.
我呢邊最正嘅，noodles。
Is the new guy around? You know who this way guy is? 咦，我啲位未啊？走啦！仆街喺度啊！一隻手指篤死你啊！
一兩都唔攞口嘅，要趕住攞手。
你因住啊，一陣又知死。
有嘢睇。
今日都算好彩啦！
出事啦！出事啦！哎呀，咁點算啊？
快啲走啊！
出事啦！出事啦！
隻租啦，咁多咩？有得靠嘅，走啦，夠雞啦！放過我啦！ 有咩特別啊？啲踢屎不歸啊！咁用嘅，我保證你即刻冇我哋搞，我自己都驚啊！
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Theo, are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing, 真係乜都冇啦。I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I send Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食咪多過你食米啦。我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢啊！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！
識尊重人，我從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁信我？我會陪你死啊！
你認衰晒你嗰個人啊！
我哋冇時間俾你咁 hea 啊！Hey, hey, come on in. I got special deal for you. Oh yeah!
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes? 就係啊。
I'll pay now.
Thanks. We sure hope you come again.
Hey, hey! Need clothes? Need a suit?
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got a special supplier.
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Coming through.
你冇嘢啊？係啊 ，very
Oh shit!
Get him! He needs to be killed!